Hello all, I know it's been a long time, so I decided to post a small video. So how are you all? Actually wishing you all a very happy new year. So today we are going to plant pudina, which means mint. So let's do that. So it will be easy if we'll plant them in bunches. So I decided to keep them in bunches. So let's begin that. So I have done planting them. The most crucial part is watering them. You need to water thoroughly through the roots so that they might grow one day. Hoping for the best to the new year ahead. Let's plan this with full grace. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next video. Until then, always be happy.